Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Community Cash mobile banking. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Community Cash application on your mobile phone. Then you'll be directly taken to the login section. Now here, tap on ID box and enter your user ID. After this, tap on password box and enter the correct password of your account. If you do not remember your password, you can tap on forgot password and continue with the process of retrieving it. Similarly, if you have your biometrics turned on to login, you can tap on one touch login option. If you do not have your Community Cash mobile banking, then you can tap on new to here register option. After you enter your login information, tap on login. With this, now you'll be able to log in to Community Cash mobile banking. And this is how we can log in Community Cash mobile banking. Thank you for watching everyone. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.